I wanted him to live. You know, you got to show me the train routes. And so I was hoping that the nicotine or neurotoxin within the cigarette would combat the venom in the bee stings that attack your respiratory system, and we could live longer. Because we don't know. Out there in the middle of the jungle, you might be on that train for a week before you see anything out there. Because it's all jungle. The train might pull over and sit there for a week. You don't know. So, but I knew we had very little time to get the antivenom before we died. Because they stung me, I don't know how many times. But I looked at my buddy, and he had little white bags all over him, right? Because he was darker than me. They actually sting him more than they do me, which is another story. But so by the time we got this little pueblito, I'm stumbling into the town, and I'm having a real hard time breathing. And I'm like, avispas africana, avispas africana. And this little kid who spoke English got on his bike, and he rode to the pharmacy. He comes back with the antivenom, and he says, do you want the shot, the antivenom shot? And I'm like, please, right? I'm dying, And so he hits me in the shoulder with this antivenom, and I'm like, oh, that's some pretty good stuff. Can I sleep here? Bam! I went out, and I was knocked out on that guy's front porch for like a week, I think.